students, Sacred High School welcomes you. Today we will study chapter 12, Simple Machines Part 1. Machines. A machine is a mechanical structure that uses power to apply forces and control movement to perform an action. Machines can be driven by animals and people, by natural forces such as wind and water, and by chemical, thermal, or electrical power. They have several parts, each with a definite function, and together they perform a particular task. With the help of machine, more work is done in less time and less effort. Simple machines. Simple machines are devices with few or no moving parts that are used to modify motion and the magnitude of force in order to perform work. The nail cutter, the bottle opener, the wheel used to push the load are all machines. They have only one or two parts and a simple and easy structure. Such machines are called simple machines. Simple machines can be handled easily and there are less chances of these machines breaking down or getting damaged. We use such machines in our day-to-day life. Complex machine. Complex machine is created by combining many small machines. These machines have many parts which carry out many processes for completing a task. For this purpose, the parts are joined to one another. Some of the parts of such machines are actually simple machines. For example, the seat, handle, tire or pedals of a bicycle are all simple machines. Here, the simple machines are combined together to form one complex machine, that is the bicycle. The structure of complex machine is complicated. In our day-to-day life, we use simple or complex machines depending upon the task to be carried out and the time and efforts required to do it. An inclined plane. An inclined plane, also known as a ramp, is a flat supporting surface which is kept at an angle with one end higher than the other, and it is used as an aid for raising or lowering a load. Let us study more about an inclined plane by doing an activity. A heavy drum is to be loaded onto a truck. Ravi chose the plank A while Hamid chose the plank B. Rahi did not use a plank at all. Who would find the drum heaviest to load? Yes, Rahi will find the drum heaviest to load because here she has not used any plank. Who would find it lightest? Ravi will find it lightest to load the drum. Which one of the plank A or B is longer? Yes, plank A is longer than B. Which one has a steeper slope? Plank B has a steeper slope. What can we conclude from this? If a slanting plank is used to lift a weight, we have to bear less of the weight and lifting it becomes easier. Such a plank is called an inclined plane. The more gradual the slope, the lesser is the weight we have to bear. Here, in case of A, you will see that the inclined plane is kept at a smaller angle, and that is why it becomes easier for Ravi to load the drum in the truck. But you will see that such an inclined plane is longer. The steeper the slope, the shorter the inclined plane. Here you will see that plank B is kept at a higher angle and it has become short. Hence, Hamid will find it difficult to lift or to load the drum in the truck. Let us study more about inclined plane by doing an activity. Cut out a triangular piece of paper ABC. Draw a red line along the edge AC. Roll this paper around a pencil as shown in the picture. What do you see? You will see the inclined side AC of the triangle descends gradually from A to C. Descends means to come down. The threads on a screw are made in the same way. A screw is an inclined plane. It is a particular type of inclined plane where the inclined plane is wrapped around a bar. That is why when a screw is fitted in wood, it goes in as if it is going down an inclined plane. Therefore, less force is required to fit a screw than to hammer a nail. In other words, a screw is like a rolled up inclined plane made up of an iron strip. Inclined planes can wrap around an object such as a mountain. When a road gently slopes up around a mountain, the driving distance increases, but less power from the engine is needed to get the car to the top of the mountain. A wedge. A wedge is a piece of wood or metal which has one thick end and tapering to a thin edge. It is a triangular shaped tool and is a portable inclined plane. It is a simple machine. It can be used to separate two objects or portions of an object. It can also be used to lift up an object or hold an object in place. An axe, a knife, or a chisel are some examples of wedge. I hope you have understood this part. Thank you.